Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain data clustering with K-means method in Python. K-means is a popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm used for clustering. The main purpose of this algorithm is to categorize data points into well-defined, non-overlapping clusters, ensuring each point is assigned to the cluster with the closest mean. In this tutorial, we'll briefly learn how to cluster data with K-means algorithm using the K-means class of scikit-learn in Python. In this tutorial, we cover understanding the K-means algorithm, preparing the data, clustering with K-means, and source code listing. The objective of this algorithm is to partition a dataset into K distinct non-overlapping subgroups where each data point belongs to only one group. The algorithm accomplishes this by iteratively assigning data points to clusters based on the mean or centroid of points in the cluster. The K-means algorithm involves the following steps. First, initialization. Here, a model defines the desired number of clusters, denoted as K. Then initializes K centroids randomly. This serves as the initial approximation of each cluster center. The next is assignment. Here, the algorithm associates each data point with the cluster whose centroid is the nearest. Typically, here equilibrium distance is used, but the other alternate metrics are also applicable. Then updates. Here, the model reassesses the centroid of each cluster based on the currently assigned data points. The updated centroid is determined as the mean or average of all data points in that cluster. And finally, the iteration happens. Here, the model reiterates the assignment and updates the steps until the convergence happen. Now let's dive into the Python coding for implementing the K-means clustering. We'll start by loading the required packages. Here we use sklearn datasets and the cluster and matplotlib libraries. We'll generate sample data for this tutorial and visualize it in a plot. In this code, we generate synthetic data with a makeBlob function and visualize it in a scatter plot. Here is the target data for us to cluster with K-means. We'll define the model by using K-means class and set 5 to the cluster number parameter and feed the model to X data. Here we defined the model with 5 clusters and feed to X data. And you can access and print entire attribute dictionary of the fitted model. So you can check all of the parameters here. Then we can extract center points and labels of each cluster data from the model attributes. Here we get centers and labels. By using the model outputs, we highlighted the clusters with different colors and plot centroids of each cluster. So here we cluster data into the 5 clusters, and the centroid of each cluster is highlighted here. We can also check the model without setting the cluster number. Here we'll define the model with default parameters and feed it again, then visualize the output clusters. Now the model divided the data into the 8 clusters, so all clusters are highlighted with different colors here. In this tutorial, we briefly learned how to cluster data with K-means in Python. The K-means clustering algorithm offers a robust and widely used approach to unsupervised machine learning. Through iterative process of initialization, assignment, and update, K-means efficiently divides a dataset into distinct clusters. The full source code is provided here. Please visit my website and you can get all the source code and materials I've covered here. Please subscribe my channel and hit like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.